What can you see? Tom, is it a WH question or a yes/no question, يا معتصم?
Uh,
Tom, why did you
the
go out last night? So
WH.
Tom asked me. No, I'm talking to another one, to someone else. Tom asked me.
Don't ask me that. That.
هتعمل انت ايه دلوقتي بقى؟ You are going to use the same question word.
Yeah.
هتنزل واي، هتنزل واي زي ما هي. اوكي؟ يبقى Tom asked me what?
What?
Why?
Uh,
ها؟ Why؟ ها؟
what
Why
I
ايه؟ I
why
excellent. Why I؟ ها؟
want
Why
want
I؟ كأني بجاوب على السؤال as if I'm answering the question. Why I؟
want
عندي التنس هنا ايه؟ Present or past؟
in the
Did you
question
go? Present or past? It's a question form. It's a question for
past.
past. Excellent. Type. If I'm changing from direct to indirect, how can I change? I have to change the simple past
To past
into past
continuous.
perfect. Okay?
Past perfect. Yeah.
Okay? Or you can say you can use past like this. Why?
Why
Tom asked me
I
why
want
I went why I went out the night before. Can I say this? Yeah, it's correct. ايه ده؟ I have to use the statement form, not the question form, if I'm changing from direct to indirect. Again, why did you go out last night? Why
uh
did you go? Why did
why
you go? Again, I
I
have to change the past
why
into past perfect. Huh? She asked me, huh?
why
Why? Excellent. The same question word. Why?
had gone.
Had gone. Why had? Well, why
Why
I?
why I said
Why
why I
I had gone. Excellent. Okay. Got it?
can can
This is the way how to change the direct question into a reported question by changing the pronouns and upgrading the tense from present to past. If I have the present simple, I have to use the past simple. If I have the simple past tense, I have to use the past perfect tense. If I have the present perfect tense, I have to use the past perfect tense. If I have the present continuous tense, the past continuous tense. Okay, using the same question word. If I have a question, a double check question, I have to use the same question words. Okay,
yeah yeah
and remove the question form like this: why I had gone out the previous night. Okay, next.
what are you
It's your
going
turn.
yeah. What are you going to do at the weekend? She asked me. She asked me what I
She asked
uh
me I
what I was
what I was
going to
what I was going to
do
do. Is it right? Yeah, excellent. Good job. يبقى be going to, is going to, will be changed into was going to. Will you? تبقى would you. تبقى I would. Huh? Will you? تبقى I would. Where will you live after graduation? Where
where
will you live after graduation? She
where
asked
would
me. What did it? Why did he use asked? Why did he use asked? Why didn't he say told? Do you know?
sh- because what did you say, teacher?
Asked. Why did he say asked? He didn't. Why didn't he say? Why didn't he use said or told?
Because she asked if because
Because it's a question.
yeah,
Because it's a question. So if there is a question, I have to use asked.
yeah,
This is the reported verb. This is the right reported verb. But if it's a statement, I have to use said. I have to use told. I have to use advised. He advised me that. Okay. I can use any reported verb that means that can be used with statements. But this is a question. I have to use asked. This is a question. Like that's why I have to use asked. She asked me, huh? The same
yeah,
question word.
yeah.
Where? Where what?
Where, where
Subject and verb.
I
Huh?
would live.
Where I would. Excellent. Where I would lived after graduation. Excellent. Good job. Next.
Have you
To
been to
Paris.
Paris?
It's another question type. Now it's a yes no question. It's not a WH question. There is no question word. Have you been to Paris? She asked me. Huh? She asked
Had
me. She
I?
asked me if. No. She asked me. So, as I told you, if I have a yes no question, I have to use if or whether. Huh? He asked me if. Huh?
If I
If
had been.
I had been to Paris. I think it's so easy. Okay.
Okay.
Next. Again, it's the same question type. Are you working tonight? Are you working
Yes.
tonight? It's a yes no
Uh.
question.
Yes.
That's
Or
why I have to
if
use if. I
I
have to
was
use
work.
if. Are you
She asked.
working?
I was working.
Huh? I
The
removed two
baby.
questions, two
Yeah.
choices. Are
Baby
you
one.
working tonight? She asked me. Huh?
With the baby one. If I
If
was
or
work.
whether.
If I
If I
was.
was working.
Yeah.
If I was working tonight or that night.
No.
tonight تتحول لذات night. دي الجديد بقى. Again, tonight تتحول لإيه؟ لذات night. Tomorrow تبقى that day. Okay, or the day after. The day after tomorrow. Okay. Yeah, match
Okay.
the following. Match the following.
Uh. She asked me if I had done my homework. Um. Should you do your homework?
Think of this question. Think of solving this question.
Yeah. And you do your. The second one will be matched to the third. To the third. Second teacher will be matched to the third.
Hmm.
And this is will you do your homework? And
Should you do your homework? She asked me.
with the fourth one. The
She
fourth one.
asked me if I should do.
The fourth one.
Good. Hmm. Can you do your homework? She asked me. She
Yeah, and
asked me.
yeah, I said this will be the third.
The third.
Yeah,
Good.
and
Good job.
and
This is
easy. Will you do your homework? She asked me if I would do my homework. If I would do, yeah.
Excellent. Good job. Did you go? Did you do your homework? She asked me.
She asked me if I had done my homework.
Excellent. Good job. Okay, good job. Huh? Next. Now, all the reported question for this direct question. When can we attend your class tomorrow?
There was question. Um. When?
When?
When could?
When could? Or the
Uh.
reported question.
When
Or
they could?
they asked يا راجل, they
Yeah.
asked when? Huh?
When they could?
When they, أيوة, when they could attend
My
my
class.
class. Is it right? Okay.